Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Bubbly Belle, and I typically don't film unboxings, but this is a Halloween box and I'm very excited. And I have both the kids here, so they're going to help. But they gave me this little card that has all of them listed. Look how fun those are. I love Halloween. Love Christmas too, but Halloween is a very fun. Yeah, well, I don't know if it's better. You want to go ahead and dig around and pick one out?
Oh, okay, one.
Okay, go ahead.
I want to dig one.
So don't fight over it. I like those because you get to kind of hunt for them. Raylan, of course, is making a mess. Hold on. So the first one Jackson pulled out. This is super cute. So let's look at the names of them. This one is Glamour Skull. And he's supposed to smell like ocean spray and citrus with a touch of pumpkin. And of course we will be doing ring reveals demos for all of these. That smells good.
And I pulled out a sniffing ghost.
He's scary. Nevermore Raven. Fragrant aroma of lavender and raspberry. That's a good combo.
And then we have a green ghost.
Oh, he is super cute. Green ghost, yep, and that's his name too. Citrus aroma of orange and watermelon. Kind of reminds me of Oogie Boogie. Something about him. Then we have pumpkin spice. Yeah, we already did that. So the extra ones I'm going to save. We're going to do like bath art with them. So I haven't done that with Bubbly Belle bath art videos, so I'm excited for that.
Prickly face.
Yes, he looks like the little Scream guy. This one's called Murder Mask, and it has frankincense, myrrh, and sandalwood. Cool. Raylan's playing with all the worms. Oh, and we got a bonus item. Got some fun little sunglasses. They look like John Lennon glasses every time I see like the circle ones. And a little cleansing polishing cloth. That's cool. Threw a little goodie in there, and then they have the rest packed with little peanuts. So we're going to kick off our Halloween bath bombs. If you guys are interested in ordering anything from Bubbly Belle, I have a tracking link below. So if you would, please use that. That way they know how you found out about them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.